Hello student. Today we will discuss organic chemistry. Just basic concept of organic. Basic concept means we will start with the beginning, from the beginning. Clear? See, this organic compounds are also called hydrocarbon. All organic compounds are called hydrocarbon because the most simple hydrocarbon which you know, that is CH4. CH4. This is your methane. Methane. All of you know this is methane. CH4 methane nomenclature we will discuss later on. So first see methane CH4. It is a organic compound. It is an organic compound, and see in this compound which elements are present? Carbon and hydrogen. Clear? Let us take another example. Another example of this organic compound is CH3COOH. It is an organic acid. This is an organic acid known as acetic acid. CH3COH acetic acid, and its IUPAC name that we will discuss later on, the rules of IUPAC nomenclature, how to write the name of an organic compound. So its IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. Now see, in this compound also, in this organic compound also, carbon and hydrogen are present. Clear? Along with the oxygen. So therefore these are called hydrocarbon, because in all organic compounds, carbon and hydrogen are essential constituent. They are essentially present. That's why these are called hydrocarbon, element which are made of carbon and hydrogen. Clear? Achha, out of all the elements known, carbon is the only element which forms a large number of compound. जितना भी एलिमेंट अब तक हम लोगों की जानकारी में है, उन सभी में कार्बन ही एक ऐसा एलिमेंट है जो कि काफ़ी सारा कंपाउंड बनाता है. ठीक है, अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ कंपाउंड जो कोई भी दूसरा एलिमेंट से ऐसा नहीं कर सकता. तो व्हाट इज द रीजन? सी, कार्बन इज एन एलिमेंट whose atomic number is 6. From junior sections we are studying this. This is carbon atomic number 6. It has two cells. Around the nucleus it has two cells, K cell and L cell. In K cell it has 2 electrons, in L cell 4. Clear? So this is the valence cell, outermost cell, valence cell. In valence cell it has only 4 electrons. Now see, in order to become stable, we know the criteria of stability. All the elements will be stable only if in its outermost cell there are 8 electrons. That is called complete octet. So in order to complete its octet, carbon atom it can how many electron it need? More electron it need to complete it 8. 4. Clear? It cannot lose 4 electron. It cannot accept 4 electron. This is the reason, because in junior classes we have studied element during the chemical combination, during the reaction, it may donate electron up to 3. 1, 2 or 3 electron may be donated by an electropositive element, that is metal. Similarly, if an element is accepting electron, gaining electron during the reaction from some other atom, it can gain 1, 2 or 3 electron, not more than 3. But in case of carbon it has 4 electrons. So this is the reason why it neither can donate nor accept electron. This is the reason why this carbon only forms covalent bond. Covalent bond is the bond which is formed between two or more element by शेयरिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. ये इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट नहीं करता बट शेयर करता किसी दूसरे एलिमेंट्स के साथ. क्लियर? सो inorganic compounds, all the bonds which we will study, all will be of covalent type, covalent bond. Now this carbon is a very versatile compound. In almost all things today which we see around us is made of carbon. Carbon is essentially present. For an example, see, carbon paper In paper, carbon is found. Soap, perfume, shaving cream, medicine, ink which we are using, cooking gas, welding fuel, almost all things which we use must contain carbon. So carbon is a versatile compound, it forms a large number of compounds. Versatile element and it forms a large number of compounds. Clear? See, so from its valence electron, it is clear that it has 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन in its valence shell, and in order to make it 8 करने के लिए जब ये किसी दूसरे एलिमेंट के साथ शेयर करेगा तो कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन का शेयर करेगा? 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन का. ठीक है, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड टेट्रावैलेंट एलिमेंट. टेट्रावैलेंट, टेट्रावैलेंट मीन्स इसका वैलेंसी 4 है. दिस इज द रीजन, इसके टेट्रावैलेंसी के चलते जब भी हम लोग ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में कार्बन आता है तो हर कार्बन एटम को 4 बॉन्ड से घेरना है. जैसे CH4 में देखिए, कार्बन इज सराउंडेड बाय 4 हाइड्रोजन एटम. ठीक है, ये जो है ये कार्बन कितने बॉन्ड से घिरा है? 4 बॉन्ड. तो हर कंपाउंड में, हर ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड में जब भी कार्बन एटम आए उसको 4 बॉन्ड से ही घेरना है. इसको कहते हैं उसका टेट्रावैलेंसी को सेटिस्फाई करना. और कार्बन का टेट्रावैलेंसी को जनरली सेटिस्फाई करता है कौन? हाइड्रोजन एटम. तो इस तरह से ये फॉर्मूला हुआ मीथेन का. क्लियर? सो वंस अगेन सी, इन short we can revise this organic chemistry. Organic compounds are also called hydrocarbon, because in all organic compounds carbon and hydrogen are essentially present along with oxygen, nitrogen or sulfur may be present in some organic compounds. Clear? Carbon is an element whose atomic number is 6 and its valence shell, that is L shell, it has 4 electrons, which neither it can donate nor accept from other element to complete its octet to become stable. So in order to become stable, it share its valence electron with other element. दूसरे एलिमेंट के साथ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को शेयर करके अपना ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट करता है. क्लियर? कार्बन इज अ वर्सटाइल एलिमेंट of all the elements known till today. Carbon is the only element which forms a very large number of compounds. So why this is due to the fact that its valency is 4. That is called tetravalent element. Carbon is a tetravalent element, means it can form 4 strong covalent bond. 4 strong covalent bond ये बना सकता है. ये भी एक रीजन है इसके सबसे ज़्यादा कंपाउंड बनाने के पीछे. क्लियर?